Presenting a prime Woodside location, two modern three-family package deal located near every major convenience, including Subway, Queens Center, near Manhattan, near every major highway. We have an incredible construction building situated at 70-50 and 70-56 45th Avenue, Woodside. This amazing home was built by the developer for his own family. High quality, one-of-a-kind construction. Marble floors, soundproof building, incredible design throughout, large rooms, marble floors in the lower level. We have 2 bathrooms in each apartment. The tenants pay their own heating, rubber roof. Let's tour these incredible homes from the exterior. We're in front of 70-50 and 70-56 45th Avenue, Woodside, 1 block from Queens Boulevard. Look at this amazing construction. Balconies in the front and the rear as well. Parking for several cars. Incredible. We have a lower level and a basement in these incredible homes. This is the backyard. See the rear balconies. We're going to walk around the building to the other side. This is 70-50. Now we're going to see the exterior of 70-56. Again, balconies in the front and the rear. Parking in the front. And now we're going to look at the backyard. This is the lower level, and beneath the lower level, you have a sub-basement. This is one of those few special homes where you will have a lower level and a sub-basement. Reverse angle of the backyard. Interior tour. When we come in, note the beautiful mahogany entrance door, marble floors throughout, marble stairwell, and then we have steel railings, very solid construction. This is the entrance to the lower level and also the basement. And now we're going to enter the apartment. When you come in, you have a beautiful living room. Then you have a dining area with a balcony. The kitchen has a window, heat-resistant cabinets, marble countertops, plenty of cabinets. You have reverse angle of the dining room. Now, if you want to put in an extra bedroom, right now we have 2 bedrooms on this floor. The 3rd bedroom you can put right here. And we would still have plenty of room for a cozy living room along with the dining room. And if you make the 3rd bedroom, you have a window right there in the corner. This is the bathroom with a window and ceramic tile bed. Beautiful work like no other. Then, again, living room. Nice size bedroom. Good enough to put a king-size bed with a closet in the corner. Now we're going to look at the master bedroom on the 1st floor. The master bedroom has a full bed. And the full bed is right here with the shower. No fighting for the shower in the morning since we have two full bathrooms. We are back in the dining room and living room. Again, this can be the third bedroom, and you still have a decent sized dining room and living room. Now we will walk up to see the third floor apartment at 70-50. And the layout is exactly similar to the first floor apartment. All the apartments, first, second, and third floor are the same. Balcony on the right, balcony on the left. Beautiful kitchen with heat-resistant cabinets and marble countertops. Window. Where the dining room is, that can be another bedroom, so you can actually have three bedrooms. The apartment is 1,000 square feet. Now we are walking to the rear of the apartment. On the left side is a ceramic marble tile bed with a window. We are walking into the master bedroom. It can fit a king-size bed easily. The master bedroom has a beautiful full bathroom, floor to ceilings tiles, reverse angle of the bedroom. Now we're walking into the second bedroom. It can hold a king-size bed as well. It has a closet. And now we're back in the living room. Again, this can be the third bedroom. And you still have plenty of room for a dining room and living room. Now we are at 70-50 45th Avenue. This is the third floor. All the apartments in this building are similar to the third floor. So first, second, and third floor are mirror image of each other. Below these floors is concrete, so when you walk, nobody can hear. This is the master bedroom. Two windows. In the master bedroom, you have a bathroom, full shower bathroom. Reverse angle of the bedroom. Now we are walking to the living room area. Note the balcony on the right. Spacious living room, dining room combination. This is the main bathroom. Balcony in the rear, and look at this spectacular kitchen with marble countertops. You even have a wine rack. The balcony, the second bedroom. It's worth repeating that these two incredible homes were built by the developer for his own family. He occupied both homes, and therefore the very best material went into the construction of these two amazing homes. Now we are walking to the lower level, which is similar in both homes. Note the beautiful ceramic tile floors, stainless steel appliances, mahogany cabinets, plenty of closet space, very spacey, and natural sunlight throughout. We're walking into the master bedroom, which can hold a king-size bed, and it has closet space. These are 7-foot ceilings. We're walking into the full bathroom, which has floor-to-ceiling ceramic tiles, sliding doors in the bathtub. Reverse angle of the lower level. This amazing lower level can be combined with the first floor for a duplex unit. It will be close to 2,000 square feet. Now we're walking to the backyard, but before we do, let's take a look at the boiler room. All the tenants in the buildings pay for their own heating and hot water. That's a big savings for the owner. Now we're walking towards the sub-basement. and this is the sub-basement. It can be utilized for a gym, storage, entertainment. Bring your gym equipment, a pool table, ping pong table. You have 7-foot ceilings. You have heating controls, baseboard heating over here. And it can be utilized again as storage for the tenants. New York City has problems with storage. Well, and this is one of those few that has it. Now we are in the other building sub-basement. Again, look at the 7-foot ceilings. The owner is using this sub-basement, and they're using it for as a utility room. This one is even larger than the other sub-basement. Baseboard heating, sprinkler system, and the basement is dry, completely dry. With all the rain, we never have any problems. Let's look at the roof now. We're walking up the marble stairwell to the roof area. The roof is a rubber roof. Both buildings have rubber roofs. And it's a walk-up roof that can be utilized for entertainment for the tenants or yourself. So this is the roof of 7056. And now we're going to take a look at the roof of 70-50. Both roofs have incredible views of the New York City skyline. And this concludes the tour of 70-50 and 70-56 45th Avenue, two incredible homes. To schedule an appointment or for more information, please contact Victor Weinberger at 917-806-7040. Looking forward to hearing from you.